our sandwich prep table. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 60 inches, a depth of 34 inches. 34 inches is with the cutting board. Without the cutting board, we have 29 inches in depth. Height of 44 inches with the back cover. Minus the cover, we have 35 inches in height. And left swing door covers, coming to the left and right side, will be 3 rows. Each row will consist of 4 pans. A total of 12 pans for each section will be included, giving us a total of 24 pans with this prep table. Each pan will measure 6.5 inches in length, 7 inches in depth, by 4 inches in height. Lids will be provided for each of the 24 pans. Measurement for the cutting board will be 60 inches in length by 8 inches in depth. Coming to the bottom will be the left and right side compartments for storage and refrigeration. Included will be 2 shelves, one to the left and one to the right. Each shelf can be adjusted to the height of your preference. The measurements for each shelf will include 17 inches in depth by 27 inches in length. Interior dimensions for the refrigerator, we have 56 inches in length, 12 3/4 inches in depth, by 21 inches in height. Coming to the top right corner is the ETL certification sticker. Back of the refrigerator will be the 110/120 voltage along with the temperature control. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part.